Hi, my name is David, and in today's tutorial we're going to show you how to change your toner cartridges between regular toner, sublime toner, and of course ghost white toner. And I'm going to give you some quick advice on how to best store your spare toner cartridges. Ghost white toner and ghost sublime toner can be used in any standard laser printer that we have compatible cartridges for. And actually installing the ghost white toner or ghost cyan, magenta, yellow, black and the sublime toner cartridges is as easy as just swapping cartridges if you replace a cartridge in your printer when it's empty. But as we sometimes get this question, we decided to make a video on it to just give you some advice. Also, when you're using one set of cartridges, let's say of the white and transfer toner that we supply, and you're also using the ghost sublime toner, which can be transferred to sublimation enabled blanks, you will always have one set of spare toner cartridges. And in today's video, I'm quickly going to show you how to best store these cards. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change it on the HP LaserJet M452. This is very similar to all the other LaserJet printers. We will have another video coming up how to do it on the A3 LaserJet printer, as these cartridges are a bit different. So what you have to do is you just push the button on the side of the printer to open the front tray of the printer, and there's a blue handle which you can grab and pull out the toner tray. In this case, I have my sublime toner cartridges in all 4 colors installed, and I have a set of cyan, magenta, yellow, and white toner cartridges here. These have been just unboxed from the boxes, so they come with a protective plastic tray, and so that's basically how the cartridge comes. So what you'll do is you'll just grab the cartridge by the handle, take it out of the printer, put it on the side for a while, grab the new cartridge, remove the tray, just start from left to right, open it, and there you go. Put the tray on the side and put the cartridge in the black slot. Same for the cyan cartridge. You take it out, you take the cyan cartridge, you open it, on the side, in the cyan slot. Same for the magenta. You take the magenta cartridge, put it in there. All slots are color marked, so it's easy to find the right slot for your cartridge. And same for the yellow cartridge. You take it out and put a regular yellow cartridge in. So now the printer is equipped with white, cyan, magenta, and yellow, and we're ready to use it in toner transfer. I'll just close the printer tray, and I close the front tray, and now it's closed. All right, the printer is automatically going to calibrate onto the new cartridges. It's doing this all the time you change cartridges. So whether you're replacing an empty cartridge or you're swapping between black and white toner, or you're swapping between transfer toner and sublimation toner, it doesn't matter. The printer calibrates itself automatically. So for you as a user, there's no further steps to need, and there's also no cleaning needed. You often get that question, do I have any contamination from the black cartridge when I swap to the white cartridge? No, you don't. When you want to use ghost white toner, you just simply insert the cartridge, take out the black one, insert the white one, and you have a clean system. It's one of the advantages of the LaserJet systems with the integrated cartridge, where all components that come into contact with toner are actually stored in that cartridge, so that when you remove the cartridge, there's no toner left in the system. All right. Before we wrap up this video, I'm quickly going to give you some advice on how to best store your toner cartridge. So every toner cartridge that you purchase from Ghost comes in boxes. It's pretty easy for you as a user to distinguish if you have a white toner cartridge or regular toner cartridge, which always come in brown boxes, or if you have a sublime toner cartridge with its sublimation enabled, which always come in white boxes. So very easy. Brown for white and transfer, and white for sublimation. So I have my black sublimation toner cartridge, and I want to store it for a longer time because I'm going to run some transfers onto cotton using ghost white toner. So what I do, I'll take the cartridge. This drum unit should not be exposed to light for very long. So I'm taking this black soft thing here, which comes with the cartridge, and I'm taking this orange tray, which also comes with the cartridge. It's very easy to align because you have this small rectangle here, and you have this small rectangle here. You just put it in there like this, and then on the other side, you have these two little marks here, and you can just simply click it over these two marks, and now it's permanently attached, and this is not only protecting the drum from light, but also from scratches. To even have it better protected, we suggest you to keep the boxes of the toners and store it inside the box. Every toner comes in a black plastic bag, and we suggest you, after tearing it open for using the toner for the first time, that you put it back into the bag. It gives some extra protection from light, and if I would store this toner in a cupboard, just in the black bag, that's totally fine. If I don't have a cupboard, or if I have to have it in an open shelf, I would suggest you to put it either back into the airbag or just into the box and close the box. It's important for the drum unit not to be exposed to sunlight or any extreme other lighting conditions, because this will harm the drum unit and this will lead to failures in pictures and actually failure of the cartridge. So to best store your cartridge, keep the box, keep the black bag, and keep also the orange protection plastic and put it on there. So I'm not going to show this in the video how I'm doing this for the rest of the cartridges, but I'm doing it for them as well, of course. So this is how easy it is for you to just simply interchange toner cartridges in one system. With the LaserJet M452DW or DN with network, with this printer you can actually use the whole range of toner cartridges that we offer. You can use the white toner, the regular CMYK toners, and the sublimation toners, the sublime toner for printing onto polyester blanks. So basically, with this one machine, you can actually print onto dark fabrics, onto dark cotton garments, you can print white onto mugs, but you can also print onto polyester enabled blanks such as aluminum plates and other things. We have many videos on these different kinds of transfer and many tutorials on how to do these different kinds of blanks on the channel. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up below. Please check out the channel for other videos and other tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please put that in the comments. And I say thank you for watching and see you next time.